Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Yeah. You are my darling sister. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you for your love and care. Please, if you just to if you have if this is first, like if you just tune in now, I will soon go. Please try to rewatch the video, okay? The live, rewatch it, okay? Rewatch so that you will hear what we were talking about, okay? It's about our beloved country. No matter what is our country, we love it, our home. I love it so much. If they like, let them turn it upside down. It's still our country. It's our gift from God. Yeah. All I know is that uh, everything, whatever somebody do, he will. God will reward the person on whatever the person do or does. Bye, sis. Sweet dreams. I'll check on the. Oh, it's after 2. 1 hour plus. Yalla, colors. Let us go and sleep. Time to bed. Um, okay, he has another name here. Yoga read it my life. Okay, this is yoga. God with yoga. And who again? I'm looking for this person that she gave me. Um, because oh my God, where is this? Mm, okay, this is the name. Okay, what's it create? Oh, wow, this somebody was, I didn't see him. Okay. Hi, do you remember me in your friend from Iran? Hey, yeah, sorry, I just saw you now. I'm so sorry. Let me check if I can. I'm so sorry, I just saw it now. Next time.